Is your organization affected by the growing war for talent? Is your workforce aging? Manufacturing jobs are becoming more complex due to increasing compliance regulations, developments in machine technology, rising customer expectations, and increased product complexity. At the same time, getting the support you need can be limited by travel restrictions and reduced budgets. So, how do you minimize the impact of these macro trends in manufacturing? The solution begins with connecting your workforce through technology like tablets and smart glasses. With the help of a robust, user-friendly workflow software like Procedix and mobile and wearable technology, employees can be guided and supported in their work from any location. Confirming steps, providing video instructions, and digital recording of measurements can reduce onboarding time for new employees and improve quality and productivity across the board. At the same time, engineers can look up measurement statistics or workflow history using a web-based platform. The ability to take digital pictures and make annotations on the spot also improves problem-solving between operators and engineers. In an industrial context, it's extremely useful to enable hands-free guidance for specific tasks. With smart glasses like IrisStick, operators can confirm procedure steps and capture their view using voice commands while keeping their hands free for other tasks like maintenance. When an operator encounters a problem, they can share video footage with remote support in real time via a tablet or smart glasses, and applications like Help Lightning. Engineers can provide remote support instantly.
I'm standing in front of the robot and I'm facing an issue. I see a green light, but the robot is not moving.
So first, let me point you to the screen. So you see the screen on the right. Can you take a look and tell me what is the status on it?
It's waiting.
If you can turn the black knob.
This one?
No, do it on this one and turn it to the right direction.
Okay.
Is it working now?
Now it's working.
All right, that's great.
Videos can be saved and used later for continuous improvement purposes. Would you like to see firsthand the significant improvements digitization can bring to your shop floor? PwC specialists will help you take the next steps in your digital transformation journey to a future-proof business. Contact us now for a free demo.